Do you ever have an awesome sales presentation, demo, or pitch, and then the prospect goes completely dark? You never hear from them again. What happened? Here's what happens most of the time. Most of the time when we have a demo or a pitch and we never hear from the prospect again, it's because we didn't spend enough time before that presentation learning about their situation, uncovering their needs. Far too often as sales professionals, we just want to get to the pitch. We just want to show somebody our product or our solution. And if we don't understand them, they're never going to listen to what we have to say. Instead of focusing on improving your pitch or your demo, I want you to spend a little more time prospecting and listening to the needs of your client. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.
The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.